What if artificial intelligence didn't need the cloud and could think instantly, right where it's needed? Most AI today depends on the cloud sending data back and forth. That creates delays, security risks, and limits where AI can operate. Edge AI processes data locally on the device itself. That means faster decisions, improved privacy, and real-time intelligence without relying on remote servers. With powerful compact chips and optimized models, Edge AI allows machines to analyze data, learn patterns, and respond instantly right at the source. We're already seeing Edge AI in action. Autonomous drones inspecting infrastructure, robots repairing equipment, smart sensors monitoring crops, and machines adapting in real time. By bringing intelligence out of the data center and into the physical world, Edge AI makes systems faster, safer, and far more independent. In the future, intelligence won't be centralized. It will be everywhere, embedded in the machines and systems around us. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the icon. Please drop us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.